CarPlay AI Boxes enhance iPhone integration in vehicles, enabling wireless connectivity, smarter navigation, voice control, app access, and a safer, more convenient in-car experience. My today's video is about top 5 best CarPlay AI box that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ottocast P3 CarPlay AI Box. The Atotoout AI Box P3 from Ottocast elevates in-car navigation and entertainment to a whole new level. Running on Android 12 with the updated AutoDrive 2.0, it offers a secure, user-friendly interface with customizable UI colors, widgets, and ambient lighting featuring 4 modes: single, gradient, breathing, and waterfall. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, it ensures smooth operation and fast data processing, while a microSD slot allows expansion up to 256GB. The device supports a wide range of apps, from navigation, Google Maps, Yahoo, to streaming, YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, Hulu, with split-screen functionality for multitasking in 3:7, 5:5, or 7:3 ratios. Additional features include HDMI output for rear-seat entertainment and nano SIM support for faster network access. Compatible with over 600 car models and factory OEM wired CarPlay, Atotoout AI Box P3 delivers a seamless, versatile, and immersive driving experience for tech-savvy users. Now our second product is Ottocast CarPlay AI Box. The 3-in-1 CarPlay AI Box is a game-changer for vehicles with factory-installed wired CarPlay, 2016 or later, excluding Tesla, BMW, and wireless-only systems. This all-in-one adapter brings wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and built-in video streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and Prime Video into a single device, transforming your car into a versatile entertainment hub. It unlocks Android Auto on CarPlay-only vehicles, providing seamless connectivity with zero lag while preserving all original controls, including touchscreen, steering wheel buttons, and voice commands. With support for local media playback via microSD cards up to 128GB, it's ideal for road trips or keeping passengers entertained while parked. The 2025 upgrade features a fast chipset for quicker boot times, smoother performance, and broader vehicle compatibility. Stable 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi and auto-connect functionality ensure reliable streaming every time you start your car, making the CarPlay AI Box an essential upgrade for tech-savvy drivers. Our third product is GetPair Magic AI Box. This Magic Box redefines in-car entertainment with phone speed performance and powerful connectivity. Powered by an 8-core processor and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz, apps like Waze, Netflix, and Spotify launch in just 3 seconds with zero lag, ensuring smooth operation even on long road trips. Expandable storage via SIM and TF cards up to 256GB allows you to enjoy multimedia content on the go. This versatile Android car box unlocks any app, from YouTube and TikTok to Reddit, transforming your CarPlay into a full entertainment hub while supporting split-screen functionality for safe navigation and passenger viewing simultaneously. With 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, steering wheel controls and voice commands remain fully functional. Built-in 4G LTE internet and dual Bluetooth enable global connectivity, gaming, and seamless pairing with Bluetooth devices. Compatible with most factory-wired CarPlay vehicles, excluding BMW and Tesla, it also comes with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, offering reliability and peace of mind. Now number 4, CarPlay Box plus Android 13.0 CarPlay Box. The AI Box Lite is a game-changing device that upgrades your car's factory-wired CarPlay into a seamless wireless system for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Equipped with a high-performance processor, it ensures fast, reliable operation without stalls or delays. Wireless Android Auto lets you enjoy all the functionality of a wired connection without the hassle of cables, while wireless CarPlay offers the same convenience for iPhone users. Beyond navigation and calls, the AI Box Lite brings entertainment on the road, supporting streaming apps like YouTube and Netflix, as well as local media playback via an SD card. Its plug-and-play design makes installation effortless for vehicles with factory-wired CarPlay and USB ports, requiring no dismantling of your original stereo. With ongoing software updates and responsive customer support, the AI Box Lite ensures compatibility across car models and offers a versatile, reliable, and enjoyable in-car experience for drivers and passengers alike. And our last choice is Atotoout CarPlay AI Box. The Android 13 Freedom CarPlay and Android Auto Box revolutionizes in-car connectivity by offering wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and a full Android 13 OS for thousands of apps, no phone mirroring required. Powered by an 8-core CPU, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage, expandable via microSD up to 256GB, it delivers ultra-fast app loading, seamless multitasking, and smooth streaming of YouTube, Spotify, Google Maps, and more without lag. AI Copilot features, including Drive Chat, powered by ChatGPT, for hands-free Candy and entertainment, and TrackHU for real-time GPS tracking, geofence alerts, and trip history, enhanced driving intelligence and safety. Triple network connectivity via 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth tethering ensures reliable online performance, while offline GPS maps maintain navigation even without internet. Universal Fit with plug-and-play installation supports most factory-wired CarPlay/Android Auto systems, excluding BMW and wireless-only models. With OTA updates and 12-month technical support, this device offers a powerful, versatile, and worry-free upgrade for modern drivers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.